we're here in Marknad. We're here. A vintage car show. So this one, look. This is so nice. Look. What is this one? What's the name of this?
Mercedes kopia.
Yeah, they are my friends.
Swedish friends.
Hi, Filipino. Yeah, Ate Chloe is there. Her husband and her friend. They're inviting me to join here, so yeah. Hello, so this is the car that we ride here since 1950. Look, it's a very old car. It's very, what do you call that, eh? Vintage. Yeah. So this is this one. Very pretty. Here, this is the next car. Chevrolet. Oh, see? My gosh, there's a lot of car here. Look. This one is Ford. Look. It's so nice. Look at that. And the next one here, we have to go here. This is the wow, look. See, my gosh, there were so nice car. The next car here, Saab. Saab car and another Chevrolet here. Look. It's so nice. So nice car. Black one. So here, this is since 1968. My gosh, this car is too old. Look, so vintage. Look. This one also here. There's a lot of vintage car in here. Yeah, welcome here. So we are here. Here. We are here. Look at this. This is a vintage car. And this one also.
Cadillac.
This is a Cadillac. Oh my God, they're so nice. And here. I don't know, but this is a nice one also. They're so nice. Very pretty. Vintage car. There's a lot. There's a lot. Look at this one. gosh, there's a lot of vintage car here. This one, here.
Go on the other side.
All of this over there, a lot in this one side also. I don't know. This one is a Volvo. We'll go to the other side.
Hello. Hey.
We're going to the other side.
Hey.
Oh my gosh, they're all so pretty. And so nice. Oh my god. Making a video for my vlog.
Hans ska filma?
Oh my gosh, there's a lot here. Oh, look at this, the other one.
Yeah. This nice? Yeah.
Look, this is all mine. Yo. Hi, baby.
Stand there. Stand there. That's very nice.
Yes.
Yo.
This is no. And that one also. Here. Because they're also pretty.
And the other one also.
Look at this car.
Go in the other one, the white one.
Oh, this one.
There. Stay there.
1939. I'm not born yet.
Nay.
Old.
Even your parents is not yet.
Some of them
This
are
is
new.
modern.
Some of them are new.
This is modern car.
I'm gonna go there.
Okay.
The other side. Look. Look at these cars. My gosh, Ferrari, they were so nice. My gosh, look. Other one. BMW. My gosh, look. And this one here. This Batman car here. Look at this. Batman car. So cool. Wow. Here.
Og den sa ja, og jeg ble glad. Og alle
I'm going to ride this vintage car. Look, Chevrolet. Welcome to my car. Welcome to my car. Okay. Ta-da!
Ewan tayo kay.
Careful.
Ah.
I have to go to the somewhere. I'm gonna ride this. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Second car. That's the first one. Look. And this is the second one. What is the name of this? I forgot.
Chevrolet also.
Chevrolet. Here.
De är på alla bilar.
Ah, alla bilar.
I can't go inside because I'm not here.
Here. You go
Only
under.
here. Come here.
Ah, go in.
Come here.
You can go in.
Now this is my third car. I'm so rich. I own this.
Hey, though.